In 2025, the landscape of business management tools has evolved significantly. Choosing the right tool can make or break your business. Let's start with Honeybook. This platform caters specifically to creative entrepreneurs, offering robust features like invoicing, contracts, and project management. Next, we have Studio Ninja. A favorite among photographers, it streamlines workflows with functionalities like job management, client communication, and invoicing. Finally, we explore Pixieset. Known for its stunning galleries, it allows photographers to showcase their work while managing client proofs and sales. Now, let's take a look at pricing. Honeybook offers a flat rate, while Studio Ninja has a tiered approach, and Pixieset provides multiple options based on storage and features. User experience is crucial. Honeybook offers an intuitive interface, Studio Ninja is straightforward for photographers, and Pixieset is highly visual but may have a learning curve. Integration is key in today's digital age. Honeybook connects with Google Apps, Studio Ninja integrates with various accounting software, and Pixieset syncs well with social media. Support is vital for any tool. Honeybook boasts excellent online resources, Studio Ninja offers personalized support, and Pixieset has a thriving community for additional help. Real user reviews provide insight. Many praise Honeybook's all-in-one capabilities, Studio Ninja's user-friendly interface, and Pixieset's beautiful presentation. In conclusion, the best tool depends on your specific needs. Honeybook for comprehensive management, Studio Ninja for photographers, and Pixieset for visual presentation. What suits your business style?